Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Income Spinner. This is where I teach money making skills, high digital skills that can help you to make money online. So if this is what you're looking for, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload videos like this, YouTube will just show it to you and you'll be among the first people to watch the video, implement the strategy, and make the most money before it gets saturated. So, guys, welcome to the world of AI. So, today we are going to learn how to make any photo of celebrity, your own photo, the photo of your politician, your favorite friend, anybody can make their photo to talk. Yes, this is amazing. This is really going to blow your mind. Okay. Now let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. Let's click on this video. Let's click on this video.
Hello, my name is
Oh,
David. I want
oh,
to teach you about AI.
yeah, that's awesome.
Artificial
That's
intelligence
awesome. So
has
we're going
taken
to
over
do
the world of
exactly
technology.
something like this,
In this
guys.
video,
So let's get started in the video. Let's go step by step. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Google and type in DID AI. Once you type on this, it's going to bring this result. And once you click on this result, it's going to bring you to this home page. You can see this lady is already talking. Her mouth is moving, her body is moving. This is the power of AI, guys. So what do you do to get started? The first thing you do is click on Start Free Trial. You click on Start Free Trial because this platform is not really free 100%, but you can do a free trial and learn and see if it is something that you really want to do. Okay. Now, what are the benefits of this kind of technology? Now, you can use this software to create a faceless YouTube channel. You can create a character like this or use your image, and then you'll be creating content, and that photo will be delivering your presentation for you. So this is really awesome. This is mind blowing. So let's take a look at the pricing now, in case you want to really take it further. So you can see the pricing here. They are very low. It's just $5 in a whole month. You can do some videos. All right. So I think, guys, this is what you need to do. You really need to take it up. All right. So the moment you register, once you fill in the form, which just your email, your name and email, and then they will send you a mail to your inbox, and you click on confirm my account. The moment you click on confirm my account, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. This is what it looks like if you have not done anything already. So once you get to this interface, the first thing you need to do is to create a video. So you just click on create video. This is what we're going to do right now. You click on create video. When you click on create video, it's going to bring you to this interface. So the next thing you need to do is to add a photo. You can either use any of these, you can use any of this photo, and they will do the job for you. Any of them, you can use them as your avatar or whatever. Okay. So, but you want to add a video. So you click on add a video, you go to your computer and click on the video. Okay, let's use a Tiwa Savage picture. Oh, that picture format. Okay, you click on add a video, you come here and you click on, let's use this one. Let's use this one. Though it's not looking straight to the camera, but let's use it. So the picture is uploaded right now. So the next thing you need is a script, because you have to give the photo something to say. So I've drafted this little piece here. So I'm going to copy it. Just go to the platform, go to here. So I've dropped this. So I'm going to drop it here. Now, there are two ways you can bring in a text. You can either upload a text document. Once you upload the script here, it's going to automatically synchronize, or you can just type whatever you want to say here. So this way, I'm going to type that, okay? Right, so typing that now, and then the next thing now is, once you do that, all you need to do next is click on generate video. Now it's preparing this photo for our production. All right, so we're almost ready. The video is ready to do this presentation. So click on generate. It's a very simple process, guys. You can see it. Voila, our video is ready. The video is ready, right? It's preparing, it's generating the video. Just wait for it. He said, we've successfully generated your video. Look at it. Look at it now, guys. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys.
Hello, my name is Davido,
Hey, sorry, I made a mistake. I should have changed.
aka OBO. Today, I will teach you how to make any photo to talk using artificial intelligence.
This is funny, man.
It is a very simple.
Now, what happened there was that I did not change the voice from female to male. The default voice there is, okay, let's go there. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now, when you upload your video, you need to change the voice, okay? Now, change to any language. You can do this in any language, Spanish, French, whatever language. But, okay, let me select Nigerian English, right? So put the text again. Oh, we don't have credit, so we have exceeded our limit. Now, when you take that, you have to also use a male voice, right? A male voice. So I didn't like this video the way it looked. So let's get back and use this particular one again. Right, so let's use this picture again and then click on generate. It's preparing the video. It's preparing the video. You can now click on generate. You know, why I prefer this picture is because it's looking straight. This one is looking somehow, so I didn't quite like how it came out. So we've generated this video again. So let's play.
Hello, my name is Davido aka OBO. Today, I will teach you how to make any photo to talk using artificial intelligence.
Awesome, guys.
It is a very simple process that takes less than 5 minutes.
So, guys,
hello, my name is...
So, that's it. Davido's picture is already talking. That is awesome. All right, guys. So, I'm using this just for educational purpose only. Don't use this to impersonate. Let's use this to do fraud. All right, guys. So, if this is what you are excited about, hit that subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Share this video. Let it go viral. Let more people get to learn this awesome AI technology. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you. Yeah. So see you in my next video. Bye-bye.